Welcome, dear students. Here we are going to learn the CHO 351 course, the second section, mass spectrometry. Already we learned the carbon 13 from the first section. From today, we are going to learn the second section, that is mass spectrometry. So let's start our topic. Here these are the content which we are going to learn, that is introduction, basic principle, theory, brief outline of instrumentation, ion formation and the type, fragmentation process, fragmentation pattern and the fragmentation characteristics in relation to a parent structure and the functional group. So start with the basic theory. Here the mass spectroscopy deals with examination of characteristic fragments, that is the ion, arising from a breakdown of the organic molecule. That is the breakdown of the organic molecule, there is a formation of a positive ion. And in the mass spectroscopy, we learn only the or examine the positive ions. Okay. Here the mass spectrum is the plot of relative abundance of ion against the large per charge ratio. This is a plot of abundance of ion versus charge per mass ratio, or mass per charge ratio. Okay. Here the basic aspect of organic mass spectrometry consists of bombarding the vapor of organic compound with a beam of energetic electron accelerated from the filament to an energy of 70 electron volt to form a positively charged ion. That means what happened? We learned the instrumentation that time, you understood very well. Here in the what is the basic theory of the mass spectroscopy or spectrometry? Here we convert this organic compound in a vaporized state, and then this is accelerated to a high energy, and it get converted to the positively charged ion, and then we study the positive charged of the ion for the identification of the structure of the molecule. Next is the additional energy of electron is dissipated in a breaking the bond in the molecular ion, which undergoes a fragmentation to yield a several neutral or a positively charged species. This fragmentation may result in the formation of an even electron ion and the radical. The various positive ions are formed can be accelerated and detected by a magnetic electric field. What happened here? Whenever this vaporized organic molecule is passed into the instrument, then it gets fragmented and there is a formation of what? The positive ion. These positive ions are accelerated or deflected by what? The magnetic or the electric field. The deflection of the ion, however, depend on the mass, charge and the velocity of the ions. This is the basic theory of the mass spectrometry. Let me learn the principle and the instrumentation of the mass spectrometry. This is a diagram or the instrumentation of the mass spectrometry. Here this is the vaporized sample which is passed into the instrument, and here it get ionized, then it is acceleration, it is passed to the electromagnet where the deflection is takes place. Then this on the deflection, this molecule which is detected by using the amplifier and the chart recorder. Here we learn all the ionization, acceleration, detection in detail. First we are going to learn the ionization. Here the atom is ionized. How it is ionized? It is ionized by knocking one or more electron off to give a positive ion. The mass spectrometer always work with a positive ion. Remember that mass spectrometer always work with a positive ion. And what happened here? Here from this is the electrically heated metal coil where whenever we pass the organic sample which get vaporized by using this electrically heated metal oil. And here there is a bombarding of the electron which is takes place over here. This is the electron. Whenever this organic or sample, vaporized sample will pass through it, then this is the ion repeller, and here this is the electron trap. And here these electrons which is bombarded on the organic compound, and from this beam there is a formation of the positive ion. That means the ion atom get ionized into what? Positive and negative ions by the bombarding or knocking of the more electron. Okay, the particle in the sample, that is the atom or the molecule, are bombarded with a stream of electron. This is the stream of electron from the electron trap to knock one or more electron out of the sample particle to make a positive ion. This atom get bombarding, from the bombarding it get dissociated, and there is a formation of the positive ion by knocking off the more and more electrons. Here the most of the positive ion form will carry a charge +1. Most of the atom, whenever it dissociated, which carries a charge, positive charge, that is a +1. These positive ion are persuaded out into a rest of the machine by the ion repeller, which is another metal plate carrying a slight positive charge. Next is after the formation of the positive ions, okay, in the ionization process, then it is further transported to the acceleration. Here the ions are accelerated so that they all have the same kinetic energy. Here this is the ionization chamber having the power 10,000 volt. This is the ion beam, okay, and here this is the intermediate plate here, and this is the final plate. This is intermediate plate, and this is the starting plate. What happened here? The positive ions are repelled away from the positive ionization chamber, and they pass through a 3 slit with the voltage in a decreasing order. There are the 3 slits, 1, 2 and 3. Here the first slit has the highest energy, then their energy or their voltage going to decreases. Here this is the 10,000 volt, and then this is the intermediate. At this position this is the intermediate voltage, and at the final plate there is a 0 volt. Okay, here the positive ion are repelled away from the positive ionization chamber and pass through 3 slit with a voltage in a decreasing order. The middle slit carries some intermediate voltage, and the final one has a 0 voltage. All the ions are accelerated into a finally focused beam. Accelerated, that means they are in a moving position. Positive ions having a moving position. After the acceleration, here they pass through the another chamber that is called the deflection. Okay, here the ions are they deflected. Here this is a mixed ion stream, that is a mixed number of the ions, metal organic compound which is get converted to the positive ions, and the positive ions having a different mass and different charges, and that's why here we have to deflect it by using a electromagnet. Here through this side, here the mixed ion stream which is passed, and both side of that there is a magnetic electromagnet is there, where the ions, positive ions, get deflected into a different types of the stream. That is this is the A type of ion stream, this is the B type of ion stream, and this is the C types of the ion stream. Here the ion are deflected by a magnetic field according to their mass. They are deflected into the different types of the stream A, B, C and D according to their mass. The lighter they are, the more the deflection. If the any ions having the lighter or having the low mass, they are deflected more. The amount of deflection also depends on the number of positive charge on the ions. The more the ion is charged, more is it get deflected. Why? Because as the more the positive charge on the ions, that ions is small in weight, having the small mass, and that's why they get deflected more and more. That means this is depend on the mass, also depend on the number of positive charge. Also, here the different ions are deflected by the magnetic field by the different amount. The amount of deflection depend on first the mass of the ion, that is a lighter ion are deflected more than the heavier one, and second one, that is the charge. The ions with the two positive charge is deflected more than the only one positive charge. Why? Because the ions having the plus 2 charge, that means they this ion is the having a low weight or low mass, and that's why they deflected more. After deflection into the different types of the stream, they transfer to the detection chamber, where the beam of ion passing through a machine is detected electrically. This is the detection chamber, where this is the different types of the beam. This is the ion stream beam, which is present in the metallic box, and this is the wire of the amplifier. This is the wire of amplifier where we amplify the type of the positive ion. Okay, let me learn how it is detected. When an ion hits the metal box, this is the metal box, whenever this ion stream which is hit the metal box, its charge is neutralized by an electron jumping from a metal on metal to the ions. What happened here? Whenever this positive charged ion which is hit or bombarded to this metal box, then what happened here? Due to that metal box, this is the charge is neutralized by a jumping of electron from this metal box. Then that leaves a space among the electron in the metal, and the electron in the wire shuffle along to fill it. The flow of electron in the wire is detected as an electric current, which can be amplified and recorded. The more ion arriving, the greater the current. The more and more arriving, that means the more number of electron which can be produced, and that's why here the greater current will be formed. Next, that is the fragmentation process. The bombardment of the molecule by an electron beam with energy between the 10 to 15 electron volt, usually the result in the ionization of the molecule by removal of one electron. When the energy of an electron beam is increased between 50 to 70 electron volt, then what happens? These molecular ions acquire high energy or high excitation, resulting in their breakdown into various fragments. Whenever the high energy which is passed into the molecule, then they acquire the high excitation energy, and due to that high excitation, that molecule get breakdown into the various fragment. That process is known as a fragmentation process. What is the fragmentation? When the energy of electron beam is increased between the 50 to 70 electron volt, these molecular ion acquire a high excitation energy, which is resulting in their breakdown of various fragments. This process is known as the fragmentation process. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. Next time we learn the types of the fragmentation or the types of the ions. Okay, here today we are learn the basic principle or the basic theory of the mass spectrometry, and also instrumentation of the mass spectrometry. In the instrumentation, there are the different factor, that is first the molecule organic compound which is ionized. After ionization, here this is passed through the another chamber where the electromagnet is there, which is useful for the acceleration. and the deflection of the molecule. In the electromagnetic chamber, the ions get deflected into the different types of the stream, and then after deflection these ions get detected. uh, Here, where these ions which is passed into the metallic box, where these ions which are bombarded on that metal, and there is a formation of the number of electron, and this electron form a electrical energy, and which can be amplified or which can be measured by the amplifier, and which is recorded in the chart recorder, and then this is useful for the identification of the structure of the molecule. Okay, then here we learn, and also we learn the fragmentation process. Next time we will learn the types of the ions. Okay, thank you very much for watching this lecture. Comment on this lecture, and also like the video. Thank you very much.